Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete blank rows on Microsoft Excel. Sometimes people would like to delete the blank rows on their Excel sheet. If your Excel has the very few rows, then you can easy to find the blank rows. But if it is the more than hundreds of rows, how can you find and delete the blank rows? Let's learn how you can do this. So in my Excel sheet, I would like to delete the entire column blank rows. So some column are data filled, but I would like to delete the entire column blank cells. So first you have to select the entire data set, go to sort and filter. Here you have to click on the filter. Now the filter applied in the header of the data set. First we have to select the last column, then you have to click on the drop down, then we have to unselect all, select only the blanks. Click OK. We have to do for the entire column this process. That's it. Now you can check it out. The only two rows are the entire column rows. Now you can easy to select the row and delete the row. But this process is very lengthy. If you would like to find the entire column blank rows, then you can easy to find by using Excel formula. So you have to revert these changes. So we have to clear the filter. So now we have to add the formula. We have to add one more column. So after added the column, we have to set the cells border. That's it. So now we have to add the formula here, equal to count blank. So now open the parentheses, then you have to select the all cells of the first row. Now the formula has been set for the column. So we have to apply this formula for the entire row. So we have to drag it. So number of columns blanks will be source for the all rows. Now we can easy to filter by number 4. Number 4 means entire column rows are blank. Now we have to apply the filter for the last column. Then you have to select all and select only for number 4. Then you have to click. Now you can easy to filter for the all column blank rows. In this way you can easy to find and delete the blank rows on Excel sheet. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.